So, hello. Last time in the craft community, someone asked how can you restick or can you restore the stickiness of the clear stamps? So, these were the methods that were suggested, which we will try out today. Techniques to restore your clear stamps. So, if you want to watch more of these techniques, then keep on watching. So let me just show you briefly what are the status of my clear stamps that we will be washing today. So these are the two alphabet stamps that I had around 10 to 12 years ago. So this kind of just irritates me. As you can see, the letters are sticking and falling off. So it won't stick to the acetate here. And for this one, also the same. And there's just some left over here, the plastic also, which we will be doing. Okay, so that's the status. For the capital letters, you have this one. So it's also not sticking. See, all the alphabets are already falling. So these are the clear stamps that we will be experimenting on. So for the first method, this involves lukewarm water, dishwashing fluid, and that's it. Before I begin, I'll just protect my surface first with a towel so that my stuff will not get wet. So let's just move these clear stamps aside. And here's the lukewarm water. We just use this dishwashing liquid. Any dishwashing liquid will do. According to the suggestions, it has to be soapy. Okay, so let me just get these letters. And according to the tip, we have to have it air dried. So let's just have this air dried first and then we'll get back to you. So the stamps are already dry, air dried. So let's just put them here and see if it will fall off. So we have 3 A's and 2 B's. Oops, we have one fall. But the rest stayed. For our next tip for restoring the clear stamps is using a lip balm. So we'll just try it. So let's try this lipstick. Lipstick pa. Sorry. Apologizing for the lipstick. Let me just clean this. I'll just clean this with a tissue. Sorry. So that's it. Let me check this. So this is letter M. So if we apply this, I think it will just get more slippery. Hey, what do you know? It's thick. But there's a residue there. There's oil. Don't think it helped. M. Well, it did probably. Let's try again for the N. Smells like watermelon. I think this is C. No, it's not working. Well, according to the tip, they use chapstick. So, I don't have it and I can't buy it since we're in community quarantine. So, I thought that maybe an ordinary lip balm would do. But looks like this doesn't work. So, soft lips lip balm does not work in restoring the stickiness of your clear stamps. The next tip that was suggested was to use a glue dot. So I have these glue dots and I just hope there's a size that will fit which. So let's try this 8. The letters are too small. How about 6? We'll go back to the 8. Now let's try this. Ah! My only problem with this one is it will become uneven, but I think this will stick. So if we get 8 here, yeah, but the problem with the glue dot is that it will distort the image you see on your acrylic block. So, but it works. Ah, oh no, it just removed there. So I don't think this is very effective. This will just stick to your acrylic block and not to your clear stamps. Okay, so that's one down. So we don't use glue dots. The next was to use a double-sided tape. So I have one here. This is a new one from iCraft. So I like this because of the size, only 1/8 inch or 3mm with double-sided tape. So we just remove this and open it. Okay. So I think this will fit onto my clear stamps. So we'll just stick this here. And we'll just cut the tape. We peel the back. Darn it! I can't peel off the back. It's like the tape will not stick to the silicone stamps.
One eternity later.
Ay, matanggal! I have to use this. Ayaw.
Meanwhile,
Let me try this with the tweezers. If I can remove it.
several bad puns later.
So if I put this here, again, just like in the glue dots, you can see the mark of your tape there. So I think that's just something to note on. But I think it kind of stays. So for our next is the use of glue stick. So I'll try this first because this one is the one suggested and then this is just an afterthought from me. So we'll start with an N here. I think it's sticky. So we'll just stick it here. Oh, this one sticks too. I think this will work, but can you remove it? That's a problem. It's dry. Oh, after it's dry, the stickiness is removed. See that? So it fell off. So this will not work. At least it's a fail. Next, we have this repositional glue. I'll start again with the end. So let's try this applying. Oops. And then we'll wait for 60 seconds. Okay, that's 60 seconds. So let's try this now. The repositional glue stick works, and you can reposition it. Okay, so now we have tested all those techniques. I think that the one that I like the most are the repositional glue from the craft bond repositional glue stick, and also the lukewarm water with dishwashing. So these are just our tests. So I'll just wash this all with lukewarm water and dishwashing, since it's easier than me applying glue stick and waiting for 60 seconds for all. That it's dry, so that is let it dry overnight. So this was the previous 2, the previous 4. So let me just put this in time lapse. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!